Hi, I'm Melissa. Do you have an old brick wall you'd like to paint? Make it an accent wall with a bold color and a Flexio sprayer from Wagner. Creating an accent wall is a terrific way to add life to any room, making it a focal point and a conversation starter. To really make it pop, choose a dramatic paint color that's different than the other walls in the room. We picked a navy blue color that's really going to stand out in this room. And because brick is so porous, it's going to take 2 coats of paint to cover the entire wall. I'll show you a special technique for doing that a little later. For this project, you'll need a paint sprayer. We're using the Flexio 3000 for this project. A paint and primer combination product, enough for 2 coats. Canvas drop cloths to protect the floor. Lightweight plastic sheeting and masking tape to protect other walls and the ceiling from overspray. And we also recommend wearing a dust mask and safety glasses anytime you're spraying paint. The sprayer we're using is the Flexio 3000 with a general purpose eye spray nozzle because we have a big wall and we want a nice wide spray pattern so we can cover the wall quickly. Start by turning the nozzle for a side-to-side spray pattern and set the spray width adjustment to the wide position. Now we're ready to spray. Brick is very uneven and porous. So the first coat we're going to do horizontally. The second coat we're going to do vertically. This is a process we call cross-hatching. As you're spraying, if you find a spot where the paint went on a little thin, you can touch it up by gently pulling the trigger and spraying a little more paint on that spot. You might also have to go over some spots from different angles to coat the edges of the brick and the mortar joints. So we finished the first coat of paint going horizontally, and it's looking pretty good. But the next coat, we're going to go vertically so we can really get in the nooks and crannies and cover up the original color of the brick. But first, we need to turn the nozzle for an up and down spray pattern. You want to make sure you're spraying 6 to 8 inches from the wall. So we finished the second coat, the paint's already dry, and what a transformation! With just a few gallons of paint and our Flexio 3000, we've taken a dated looking brick wall and turned it into something extraordinary. We really hope you found this video helpful. For more how-to videos and information about our complete line of painting products, visit our website at wagnerspraytech.com. Thanks for watching!